Chapter 3. Replacing the power cord. Do not attempt to perform service on a hot tool. Always allow unit to cool completely and disconnect from power source before performing any service on the heat gun. Step 1. Remove rubber ring stand from the body of the Rion heat gun. The rubber ring stand sits within an inner groove and needs to be stretched over the groove to remove from the body of the heat gun. Step 2. Remove the 3 outer screws located on the green body using a T20 Torx screwdriver. Step 3. Firmly grasp the heat gun and gently pull apart, pulling the metal heating tube away from the body of the heat gun. Step 4. Depending on the condition of the heat gun, use compressed air to blow out entire internal components of the heat gun. Always direct airflow away from the heat nozzle and towards the rear of the heat gun. Step 5. Locate the black plastic strain relief cap near the end of the power cord. Loosen both screws using a T10 Torx screwdriver. Step 6. Using a T20 Torx screwdriver, loosen but do not remove 2 power contact screws, white and black wires. Step 7. Lift power cord from rear housing and gently pull wires out from under the 2 power contact screws. Once power cord is separated from heat gun, remove cord guard from the end of the power cord. Step 8. Slide the power cord out of the rear of the heat gun. Step 9. Replace new cord by sliding it through the rear of the heat gun and then replace the cord guard on the end of the power cord. Step 10. Separate the white and black wires to create a Y shape. Slide both wires underneath the torsional protection washers and placed on outer edges of contact screws. Note, the white and black wires can be placed under either power contact screw, but normally the white wire is connected to the right screw. Step 11. Tighten both power contact screws using a T20 Torx screwdriver. Be careful not to over-tighten screws. Slightly twist power cord to tighten slack near the power contact screws. Step 12. Tuck cord guard back into the slot located on the rear of heat gun housing. Realign strain relief over power cord and screw onto housing using a T10 Torx screwdriver. As you tighten screws, be sure strain relief is overlapping black shrouding and not touching the black or white wires. Step 13. Replace the green housing while sliding the power cord through the rear of the heat gun. Step 14. Realign screw holes on body and screw together using a T20 Torx screwdriver. Step 15. Replace rubber ring stand around the heat gun. Ensure the rubber lip fits tightly onto the channel around the body of the heat gun.